What's poppin' peeps? I'm Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet. For those of you who don't know, I speak about real issues in our society with a twist of comedy. Let's dive right in. This is E.D.S, Everyday Situations, Motivation with a twist of comedy. How is it July and you still ain't got no AC? Talking about, I'm good. I like the heat. Baby, no you don't. You up in here sweating like a rotisserie chicken. Your shirt sticking to your back like a clingy egg. You not hot. You being slow cooked. You one box fan away from turning into a pot roast. Let's talk about these jacked up BBLs. Sis got a whole wagon back there, but still walking around like a baby deer. Body built like a lowercase p, but attitude like Beyonce in a sold out arena. Ma'am, calm down. I had a question. How your hips say Miami, but your knees say Medicaid? You're not thick, baby girl. You're just poorly structured. Your thighs look like before, and your ass look like after. Some of y'all got that buy one cheek and get the other one crooked. Special. It don't match, sis. Some of y'all didn't get a Brazilian butt lift. You got a backyard booty lump, looking like somebody stuffed 2 basketballs in a wet paper bag. This heat so disrespectful. I seen a roach pack his bags and move into the refrigerator. My AC unit outside my window been wheezing like it smoked a pack of Newports. Don't let me see one more dude out here in a hoodie in this heat. Bro, you sweating like a snitch in court. What you hiding under there? A BBL? I had a question. You ever been so hot you start questioning your life plans? I stepped outside yesterday and immediately started reconsidering my goals. Like, do I really need to go to work? Or should I just lay down and let the sun finish me off? Look, the world is wild right now. The sun trying to kill us. Groceries cost more than a car note. These niggas walking around like IG models, and half of y'all bodies look like a bad photo shoot job. You know what I noticed? Y'all niggas are officially the new bitches. Walking around here with purses, skinny jeans, lip gloss, and sass. These dudes got zestier than Popeye sauce. Fellas, yeah, we getting on y'all too. Y'all the new bad bitches. And don't even try to deny it. Beards lined up, lashes longer than your girls. Y'all gossip more than these hoes. Wearing them little ass hoochie daddy shorts so tight that I can see your thoughts. Y'all wear purses, fake beards, tight jeans, and a nose ring. Sir, are you trying to slide in her DM or borrow her edge control? And shout out to the dudes who broke but dramatic. He got 1 pair of jeans but 30 emotional breakdowns. Talking about,
I don't do relationships. I'm healing.
Healing from what? A $45 phone bill and a pack of Black and Mild? Let's not ignore the broke flexing epidemic. You live in your car, but just bought Dior cologne? Okay. Congratulations. Your back seat smell rich as hell. You spent your whole rent on them $900 slides, but slid your way past a job application like it's beneath you. I don't know which one of my cousins need to hear this, but if your bed got 1 pillow, 1 fitted sheet, and 0 headboard, why you got so much mouth online? You be typing like you got a California king, when in real life, your mattress came from a FEMA tent. You out here giving TED Talks on how to be a real, but your air mattress sound like a squeaky sneaker every time you roll over. You can lie to the world, but don't lie to that mirror, cousin. If you look like, yeah, can I borrow $20? Just say that. And don't think I forgot about the Walmart runway models in there with pajamas on, bonnet tilted, and slides that look like they've been through 3 breakups. You not in Target, bookie. You in aisle 7, next to the clearance canned goods. And another thing, these girls with these dramatic ass baby hairs, it got its own storyline. Y'all slicked y'all edges into a cursive sentence. I had zoomed in and it said, God got me. And let's not forget the y'all always hating on me crew. Ain't nobody hating on you, bookie. We all too busy trying to keep up with these grocery prices. $9 for strawberries. Baby, I would grow my own and charge them rent prices. And these, I'm private. Folks be killing me. I don't like nobody all in my business. But just posted, I'm tired of being so strong. They gonna miss me when I'm gone. My BM be tripping again, but it's all love. Baby, you the business, the newsletter, you the memo we didn't ask for. I had another question. Why the most dramatic people be the ones who hate drama? You stay in mess like roaches in a trap house. Every week you falling out with a new cousin, a bestie, or a baby mama. You not misunderstood. You just loud and wrong. I'm just gonna leave y'all with this. If you felt attacked, good. If you saw yourself in this, reflect. And if you laughed anyway, you're welcome. You're safe here with your petty cousin. I'm your favorite cousin, Lady Luck, talking my ish for the people who still use a hanger as a car antenna and heating up water in the microwave to wash their face. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, take your ass over there and subscribe right now. Until next time, make sure you drink some water and mind the business that pays you. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Namaste.